tuple is a data type which is a collection of data, just like list. The significant difference is we cannot modify tuples during runtime. It's immutable and we use round brackets to declare tuples. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will explore some essential feature of tuples. First, start with slicing. Well, we know we can access any element of a tuple using an index. Suppose we have our days tuple. Then we can easily access the value Monday by just printing days variable with index as 1. Always remember, the index of tuple starts from 0. Run this code. Well, we got the correct output. But suppose you want first two elements of tuple. For that, we will write print and in brackets tuple variable name days and in square bracket write :2. Run the code. Well, we got the first two elements of tuples. To get all the elements from the third index onwards, we will write variable name inside print and in square bracket we will write 3:. Run the code. Well, we got the right output. Similarly, we can get element from 2 to 5 by writing 2:5 in square bracket and printing the same. Run the code. Well, this is our output. Always remember one thing. Here 2 and 5 is the index of the values in tuples and it starts from 0. Now, focus over here. Suppose you want to print the third element from the last. Well, we will use a negative index. Just write a print statement and in square bracket we will write -3. Run the code. Well, you got the output. Third element from the right side. And the final one. Suppose you want the last 3 elements from the tuple. Any guesses? Here we will write tuple variable name and in square brackets -3:. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output again. Well, this was easy and it's called slicing. Now we will see how to search an element in the tuple. Suppose you want to check whether Tuesday exists in tuple or not. We will write flag equal to Tuesday in days. Then print the flag. Run the code. Well, you got the output as true. It means the value Tuesday exists in the tuple days. You can even check whether holidays exist in the tuple or not, like this. Run the code. Well, we got the output false. So basically, with the in keyword, we can check whether the value exists or not. If the value exists, it will return true, else it will return false. Now we will write the complete logic over here. Accept the input from the user in the variable search. Then write if. After that, search variable followed by the in keyword. Then the tuple name followed by a :. Inside the indent of if, write the statement that element exists. In the else section, write the message that value does not exist. Run the code and enter the input as Friday. Well, the element exists. Rerun the code and enter the input as xday. Value does not exist. I hope you understood how to slice the tuple and check whether the value exists in the tuple or not. We need to study few more things about tuples, but all that in next session. Thanks for watching.